Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you where you can see your Facebook notes on how you can access them. So as you guys knew that the notes on Facebook has already been disabled like in 2022 or 3, and if you want to still access the notes that you've been created in the past, here's how you can see that. First, you can go to your profile at the top right and then go to the settings in here, then click on see more in account center. Now scroll down and here tap on this your information and permissions. So click on this access your informations. Then in here you can just click on this personal information, then just find the notes menu in here, then click on that and then you can click on view and download the notes. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.